Python WebSocket closes immediately after opening. So I have an issue with a WebSocket in Python. I'm trying to interface with a website that uses WebSockets for some of its content communication. Here is the JavaScript code on their site. So the site works fine, and there's no issue with it. However, when I try this Python code, I get an error stating that the socket has been closed immediately after it opens. This is sample code pulled from the WebSocket man page on python.org, and it does work if I do not change the host to the website I'm trying to pull from, but rather leave the example's host as it is in the example. Here is the error I receive. Any idea why it's closing right away? Edit. Ran with enable trace true. Here is the error I get. Please note that I don't actually have control over the WebSocket, so any fixes would need to be on my end. I'm on Python February 7, 2010. I also noticed that if I intercept the WebSocket request in burp while using the website, the WebSocket initial connection request is different. Here it is as captured from the website.
You have for sure an error. Most probably your socket is exploding silently. Set instead in the configuration a callback for the errors in the socket and print the message you get. Example, taken from here. And define the method.
For anyone who is having the same issue, I fixed it by tweaking the WebSocket module and setting a custom header in the GET request. Try forcing it to use this header. Get http:/1.1 host column website user agent column Mozilla /5.0 Macintosh Intel Mac OS X 10.12 RV column 50.0 Gecko /201001001 Firefox /50.0 accept column text /HTML application /XHTML plus XML, application /XML, q equals 0.9, /q equals 0.8. Accept language column NUS, N, q equals 0.5. Accept encoding column zip, deflate. Second WebSocket version column 13. Origin column website. Second WebSocket extensions column per message deflate. Second WebSocket key column I2 WBK51 stv9 RXLNTMG == connection column keep alive, upgrade. Pragma column no cache. Cache control column no cache. Upgrade column WebSocket. Instead of this, get http:/1.1 upgrade column WebSocket connection column upgrade host column website origin column website second WebSocket key column 6 JSV 5 Dukes Cooks 06G == second WebSocket version column 13.